Initially it was quite daunting, but it was like a book that you pick up, a good book, and then you keep looking forward to the next chapter and the next chapter and the next book. The lead programme runs over 10 months and it's something you take back to the workplace, and it's an ongoing programme, whereas a lot of courses are short, sweet, and that's it. But this one is a 10-month development programme and it's a great experience. My personal leadership style has changed because I used to be very controlling. Now I have a management team in place who generally run the business, and it's been a dramatic change in the last 12 months, and the business is doing better for it. I found all parts of Lead useful. For the master classes, the action learning groups, and the interaction with other people. It was all beneficial throughout the whole of the course on 10 months. Initially in the boardroom, I used to run my meetings. Now my management team bring their ideas and their agenda to the boardroom. They discuss it themselves. I do not take such an active role in the boardroom anymore, which has freed my time. It's let me relax and it's let them get on with the business and run it, because that's why we employ them. Lead has improved our business. The turnover has gone up. The number of staff we employ has increased. Generally, there's a great atmosphere from letting the internal management run the business, and that has helped me dramatically from letting my control of business go down to the people that I employ to run it. So yes, it's been a great experience. If anybody asked me, would you attend a Lead course, I'd say it's the best thing I've ever invested in, and it would be beneficial not only personally but to the business that you actually work in or own, and is of great value for money to do so. We've had rewards not only from business but from personally. It's been a great experience.